Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to do a install of the MadDog seat cover on a KLR 650. This is going to be a 2017 model KLR 650, and I'll show you how to do the install. I believe all you need is a 8mm socket and a 10mm socket, but we'll figure that out as we go. The first step is going to be to take off the side plastics on both sides. These are held on by 8mm screws. And you'll need a small extension for this rear one, because these are on plastic. They're not very tight. Make sure you drop them on the ground so that you lose them and have no idea where they went. Okay. You will also have to take off this 10mm bolt. Once you get it off, I've already got this side loosened. So again, take the seat off. It's just two 10mm bolts. And, then that's it. And I'll get this off and show you. So once you get the seat off, just from the two 10mm bolts, it'll slide backwards. And then it's a pretty simple install. This is just 3 clips on the back. You run it around your seat, tighten it up, and you're good to go. I'll get that done and then I'll show you the next. So once you've got it tightened, it's just like this, 3 straps. I'll go ahead and tape these down inside just because I don't want the excess hanging on the outside. And then you put the seat. So this is my solution to not having the straps hanging on the outside. I just put some simple zip ties. The back needed 2. The other ones were long enough to just have 1. Now we just reverse the process, slide the seat in. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. There we go. Put the two 10mm bolts back in, and put the 2 plastics back in with the 8mm bolts, and we're done. Okay guys, there you go, all done. Again, all you needed was an 8mm socket and a 10mm socket. Zip ties are optional. I like the zip ties because I don't want the straps hanging out. I know I've read where people say that it has to be altered to fit a KLR 650. Well, this is a 2017 KLR 650. It's mostly stock, nothing that would interfere with the seat, and there were no alterations made. This is exactly how it comes, and I just put it right on it. The straps didn't get in the way of the bolts. Everything was fine. Now, one recommendation I have, and that I've read, which I have not done yet, is to get some waterproof tint spray, and to spray this because in the rain this is like a sponge and you'll have wetness. It won't be very hard to dry. So get yourself some tint, aerosol spray, waterproofing, and spray this down so it's waterproof. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Nick with the Bug Outdoors, and I'll try and get some more videos up to you soon. Please like and subscribe. Comment if you like it. Comment if you have any other suggestions of what I should do on this KLR 650. Again, it's very new. I've only got I've got 214 miles on it. Have a good day. Okay guys, here's the finished product. I moved it outside so you can see it a little better without all the clutter. I'll leave a link in the description for the MadDog seat. I want to say it cost me somewhere around $20, maybe less, maybe a little more, I don't remember. I'm not associated with them, I'm not sponsored by them, so I get absolutely nothing if you order it. It's just a product that I thought you guys might like. Again, like my channel. I'm brand new, just starting out. My channel will be mostly outdoor stuff, motorcycles, fishing, camping, etc. So I hope you guys like it.